This is our first problem. So first, all of you understand what's the important points, how to solve the problem, and which adjustment first effect and second effect. Now I start first problem. This is our first problem. Listen here. In the problem given, Daya and Kshama are partners. यानी कि सबसे पहले अपने को क्या फाइंड आउट करना है, कितने पार्टनर्स दिया है. सो हियर इट इज गिवन टू पार्टनर, दया एंड क्षमा आर पार्टनर्स शेयरिंग प्रॉफिट एंड लॉसेस. रेशो दिया है उन्होंने, जो उनको प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस शेयर करना है वो है 1.1. सो व्हेन यू स्टार्ट your problem, first you read the problem because each and every point is important. Remember. So here it is given ratio 1.1. Then after given from the following trial balance means your question. Additional information, that means your adjustment. Okay. So in the trial balance debit side, all the debit balances, first given stock, first April 2018, so that means this is the opening stock, and closing stock is given in the adjustment. Remember, opening stock given in the trial balance every time, and closing stock given in the adjustment. Next one, in the debit side given bills receivable, wages and salaries, sundry debtors, bad debts, purchases, motor car, machinery, audit fees, sales return, discount, building, cash at bank, 10% investment. This is the hidden adjustment. Advertisement paid for 9 months. Listen here. Already I told you in the trial balance only one effect. But if you are given this adjustment, just like 10% investment, 10% loan, this is the hidden adjustment. So that means two effects of this adjustment. 10% investment, then after I explain you what's the working note of this 10% investment, how to find out, and next one, advertisement paid for 9 months. Okay. Next, royalties. So this is all the debit balances. Debit balances means this is also the direct expenses, indirect expenses, yeah, related to the balance sheets, asset side. Next is credit balances, general reserve, कैपिटल दिया है, क्रेडिटर्स, आरडीडी, सेल्स, आउटस्टैंडिंग. हाँ, लिसन हियर, आउटस्टैंडिंग वेजेस. सो ऑलरेडी आई टोल्ड यू, आउटस्टैंडिंग या prepaid wages is if you are given in the trial balance only one effect, but if you are given in the adjustment two effects, remember. Okay, so outstanding wages given, so that means where we write down, any idea? Yes, remember, balance sheets liability side. Then purchases, returns, and discount. This is our problem. This is the trial balance. Okay. Next given adjustment, additional information. This is the adjustment. Closing stock 40,000. Depreciate building and machinery at 5% and 3% respectively. So already I told you depreciation means it is a loss of that firm. So first effect, yes, profit and loss account, debit side, yes. And second effect, deduct that amount in that particular assets, building and machinery. Next, bills receivable included dishonor bill of 3000. बिल्स रिसीवेबल में क्या हुआ है, जो बिल 3000 का डिसऑनर हुआ है. Then after I explain it, this adjustment. Next, goods worth 10,000 taken by Daya for personal use was not entered in the books of accounts. इसका मीनिंग समझ में आया? दया ने 1000 के गुड्स क्या किया है, पर्सनल यूज के लिए लिया है. सो दैट मीन्स व्हाट्स द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस वन, ड्राइंग. ओके. Write off 1800 as bad debts and maintain RDD at 5% on sundry debtors. Write off 1800 as bad debts means this is the new bad debts. And in the trial balance given bad debt, that is the old bad debts. Remember, okay? Maintain RDD यानी कि अपने को sundry debtors के ऊपर 5% RDD निकालना है. This is the new RDD. and given in the trial balance, that is the old IDD. Okay, next, last adjustment, goods of 6,000 were sold but no entry was made in the books of accounts. 6,000 के गुड्स क्या किया है, सोल्ड किया है, बट उसका एंट्री कहीं भी नहीं हुआ है. इसका इफेक्ट क्या होगा मैं आपको बताती. सी है, दिस इज आवर प्रॉब्लम. So in the final accounts, first we prepare trading, profit and loss account and then balance sheet. This is the trading account. When we start the problem, या when we write the problem, first you write down in the books of, जो partners का नाम दिया है, so first you write down there, in the books of. Each and every point is important, remember. First you write down, don't start directly opening stock and purchases, okay? First you write down in the books of Daya and Kshama. Then after you write down trading, प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट फॉर द ईयर एंड है, जो आपको ईयर दिया है वो लिखना है 31 मार्च 2019. देन इन द डेबिट साइड, ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट्स या प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट ऑल ऑफ यू नो, ऑलरेडी आई टॉट यू. डेबिट साइड ऑल द direct expenses, trading account. Profit and loss, indirect expenses. And in the credit side, direct income and then direct indirect income, profit and loss account. So see here, in the trading account, first we start opening stock, already given in the trial balance. This is the opening stock. Okay, then purchases. If you are given the adjustment, so write down in the inner column. This is the inner column, this is the outer column. Inner columns, purchases first write down 1,48,000. Then purchases return, write down 4,000. So then after write down here, deduct the amount 1,48,4,000, 1,44,000. Then royalties 3,000. Wages and salaries is already I taught you, when you given the wages and salary, write down trading account. If you are given salaries and wages, you write down profit and loss account. But here it is wages and salary. So that means this is the direct expenses. Here 9,000. Then credit side, you are given sales 2,85,000, but you are given the two adjustment. Unrecorded sales, first add 6,000, so that's the amount 2,91,500, and then sales return. सेल्स रिटर्न क्यों किया है, मे बी कुछ डैमेज होगा, कुछ प्रॉब्लम होगा, इसलिए उन्होंने क्या किया है, गुड्स को रिटर्न किया है. सो दैट अमाउंट विल बी डिडक्टेड 2,000. And then after write down the outer column total sales 2,89,500. Okay, समझ में आ रहा है. Next, goods taken over by Daya for personal use. Personal use के लिए उन्होंने लिया है. So first effect here trading account and then second effect capital account. Okay, by closing stock 40,000 जो एडजस्टमेंट में दिया है, फर्स्ट एडजस्टमेंट. उसके बाद क्या करना है, first you total in the debit side, credit side. Which side is greater than, debit side या credit side? Here it is the credit side is more than the debit side, that means the gross profit. Total gross profit is 1,09,500 and this amount transferred to the profit and loss account 1,09,500. समझ में आ रहा है? क्या किया हमने, ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट के सब कुछ जो है आइटम्स इसमें ड्रॉ लिखा है, डेबिट एंड क्रेडिट, ऑल हियर एक्सपेंसेस, हियर इनकम्स. Income side is more than the expenses, so that's why I show the gross profit, and this gross profit transferred to profit and loss account. Next, we are start the profit and loss account. First, to advertisement 4,500 add to outstanding, यानी कि उन्होंने 9 months का दिया था एडवर्टीजमेंट का पैसा, तो अभी कितना बाकी है, 3 months का. सो इफ that amount not paid, so amount dues, that is called the outstanding. If that amount paid before, so that is called the prepaid, already I taught you. सो हियर इट इज द आउटस्टैंडिंग 3 मंथ्स है, इसलिए इसको ऐड किया इन आवर कॉलम 4500 ऐड 1500 टोटल अमाउंट 6000। अभी एडवर्टीजमेंट कितना पैसा देना है 6000। नेक्स्ट डेप्रिसिएशन, बिल्डिंग और मशीनरी का परसेंटेज दिया था प्रॉब्लम में। यहाँ पर ये देखो उन्होंने क्या दिया है, डेप्रिसिएट बिल्डिंग एंड मशीनरी 5% एंड 3% रिस्पेक्टिवली। जो मशीनरी एंड बिल्डिंग के अमाउंट जो दी है ये 75,000 एंड मशीनरी 1,14,000। इसके ऊपर अपने को क्या करना है, डेप्रिसिएशन निकालना है। सो दैट्स द डेप्रिसिएशन इज 3750, 3,750 and 3,444. So in that amount depreciation amount is total 7,194. Okay, here already you are given the old bad debts, new bad debts and RDD. Old also given, we have find out the new RDD. See here. This is the working note of RDD, bad debts. First you write here debtors amount 1,32,500। बिल डिसऑनर हुआ है 3000 का, एडजस्टमेंट में दिया है, उसको हम क्या करेंगे, ऐड करेंगे। फिर अनरिकॉर्डेड सेल्स भी है, उसको क्या करना है, ऐड करना है। इफ यू आर गिवन दिस वन, फर्स्ट यू ऐड द इनटू द डेटर्स, देन आफ्टर यू फाइंड आउट द बैड डेब्ट्स। रिमेंबर, if you are not given this one, so directly you are less than the bad debts, you find out the added amount into the debtors amount. Okay, but here it is given bill dishonor under recorded sales, so that's why you are written here first debtors amount add bill dishonor unrecorded sales. So total amount is 1,41,500 debtors amount. Then after you less deduct the amount of bad debts, then after RDD, find out the RDD. So that means here it is the new bad debts. Remember, first you deduct the new bad debts, then after you here, then new RDD you find out 5% of this amount. This amount show on asset side of balance sheet. And second effects, this one, this is the old bad debts, this is the new bad debts, and this is the new RDD, and this is the old RDD show on the debit side of profit and loss account. See here. This is the problem. See here. Bad debts, new bad debts, new RDD and old RDD. So in that amount, after deduct this amount, total bad debts 7,985. Then discount is the expenses, so we are written in the debit side of profit and loss account. Then here gross profit already we have written here. Interest accrued on investment, credit side of profit and loss account, this is the income. Discount also we have received 1,800. Then after we have total here in this amount. Check here which side is greater than debit, expenses या income. So here it is also the income side is more than the debit side. 1,13,300 is the total in the credit side, and then after we are less than this amount, we find out the net profit, and this profit transferred to capital account. Daya या Kshama. Daya's capital, Daya's net profit 44,311 and Kshama's 44,310. These amount, total amount 88,621 is the net profit, and these amount transferred to the capital account here directly into the balance sheet. Net profit means transfer to the capital account here directly into the liability side. Listen here. This is the balance sheet, liability side. This is the asset side, capital. Daya's first one by one you are written here. Capital, first partner Daya and second Kshama. Daya's capital write down in the inner column 1,60,000. Then add to net profit 44,311. Goods taken over by that partner. So this is the drawing. So we have less than here. If you have prepared the current capital account, you show on the debit side and credit side. Debit side, this drawing. Personal use means drawing. And this net profit transfer to the credit side of capital account. If you are sure, otherwise you directly write down in the liability side. Don't worry. And this is the actually perfect format. Next, same Kshama, net profit, transfer. Kshama has now taken the personally or not taken the goods, so that's why you are not right here. Drawing directly capital amounts, add to this net profit and directly amount write down in the outer column 1,64,310. Then general reserve. General reserve 14,500 given into the trial balance. Outstanding advertisement. So this is the outstanding. So that's why we are written in the here liability side. Then creditors 98,000. Outstanding wages 700. This is the adjustment. Next, asset side. Building. Buildings amount first write down in the inner column 75,000. Depreciation minus total amount given in the outer column. Same machinery here. Depreciation less, then outer column. Bills receivable 28,000 and bill dishonor हुआ है, so that's why that amount will be deducted 3,000 write down in the outer column. Motor car cash at bank, motor car here 68,000 and bank closing balance 12,000 cash and bank. Sundry debtors write down in the inner column total amount, then add bills reserve dishonor. बिल्स जो रिसीवेबल हुआ है उसको डिसऑनर हुआ है इसलिए उसको ऐड करना है. देन अनरिकॉर्डेड सेल्स ऐड करना है, ऑलरेडी आई एक्सप्लेन इट. बैड डेब्ट्स न्यू लेस करना है, ऑलरेडी देन लेस करना है. एंड देन आफ्टर राइट डाउन द आउटर कॉलम 1,32,750. देन 10% इन्वेस्टमेंट, इंटरेस्ट एक्रूड हुआ है इसलिए उसमें ऐड किया, टोटल अमाउंट 22,000. देन आफ्टर ऑल द एसेट्स एंड लाइबिलिटीज टोटल करना है. ये अमाउंट जो लिखा है 4,82,321 सेम टू सेम आना चाहिए. सो दैट मीन्स योर प्रॉब्लम इज करेक्ट. टोटल अमाउंट इज बोथ द साइड liability and asset sides 4,82,321. Okay, so now finish. This is the adjustment, already I explained you. Thank you. So today I explain you when you solve the problem which important points is important, in which points you learn, you remember. Then after I explain you first problem. First prepare the trading account, profit and loss account, and then balance sheet, tally the balance sheet. So that means first problem is over now. Any, yes, any queries, any problem, yes, tell me.